Welcome to today's news. Today we are going to talk about food safety issues. Do you see that? Such a disgusting image. The phenomenon is increasingly widespread. Let's take a look at some examples for it.
Hey, let me tell you, I found a bug in my vegetable while I had lunch yesterday.
What little disgusting will be a bug?
It's also not organic, even bugs love it. Moreover, the public believes that fighting insects on vegetables means no pesticides were used. But do others think the same? Let's take a look at what others think. Which picture of vegetables on the screen do you want to eat?
It's cheaper, organic, from Japan, or more healthy?
From Japan.
Okay. Do you think there's any relation between pesticides and appearance of vegetable? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Although all the people chose yes, pesticides are not related to appearance of vegetables, but it's still harmful to the environment and creatures. First, endocrine disruption. Pesticides can disrupt the endocrine system, which controls hormones, leading to issues like growth problems, reproductive disorders, and higher cancer risk. Reducing exposure helps protect health. Second, cancer risk. Pesticides can increase the risk of cancer by harming cells or DNA. Long-term exposure has been linked to cancers like blood and prostate cancer. Limiting exposure helps protect your health. Third, neurological damage. Pesticides can harm the nervous system, leading to problems like memory loss, difficulty concentrating, and muscle weakness. Long-term exposure may increase the risk of disease like Parkinson's. Reducing exposure protects the brain.
So, how to remove pesticides? Method 1. Soak in clean water. Soak in fruit and vegetables in clean water for about 10 to 15 minutes. After soaking, rinse them under running water to further clean their surface. Method 2. Use salt water. Add a small amount of salt to water, then soak fruit and vegetables in it for about 20 minutes. Salt water can help break down some pesticide components and remove dust and impurities attached to the surface of the products. Method 3. Use specialized clean agents. These clean agents are formulated to effectively break down pesticide residues, especially for hard-to-clean products.
Pesticide residues in animal products. Source 1. Feed contamination. Animal feed is one of the main pathways through which pesticide residues enter the animal's body. If feed is contaminated during production or storage, these harmful substances can be ingested by animals and eventually accumulate in meat, dairy products, or eggs. Source 2. Water and environmental exposure. The water sources animals consume and the environments they live in may also contain pesticide residues. Additionally, airborne pesticide particles may settle on feed or directly affect animals. Source 3. Bioaccumulation. Pesticides, being fat-soluble, tend to accumulate in fatty tissues of animals. The higher an animal is in the food chain, the greater the concentration of pesticides it may contain. Consuming contaminated animal products over time may pose potential health risks to humans.